What's up guys, today I'll be showing you my phone on PT12, so let me move on. Here's my phone on PT12, as you all know. And then, it's like really simple. I'll show you how to put it, then after I'll just let you know how to reset it. So yeah, then push down. The alarm start going off. Yeah, I'll put it back. And just hit it like that. Click it on. Now just do it again to know the guys. So you will say push down and push down. And alarm just start going off. And I just said in my mum's ear, so it just gone off. Then just open the thingy, then open this, and then it's my phone on PT12. So in the other video when I showed you before free, I'm going to try you with the UK one and the PT12 and the other one. I a little bit upgraded it, so before the little grey thing on, I changed it to blackness. It was way more better. So yeah. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe.